you unwittingly escalating your risk? If you find yourself committing more resources to achieve an objective in the belief that committing more resources than planned would help you achieve your objective, you are being trapped by the escalation effect. What is the escalation effect? I'm Akin. In this three-part video series, I'm talking about what leaders in organizations and businesses could do to mitigate the escalation effect from adversely affecting organizational effectiveness, change, and transformation. In this first video of the three-part video series, I will talk about what is the escalation effect. What is the escalation effect? Suppose you or your team were working on a project and had expended the plant resources on it, but have not yet achieved the objective or the result you wanted. What would you do? If you felt tempted to expend just a bit more resources to attain the objective, thinking that yes, you were almost there, just a bit more resource will do, you would be entrapped by the escalation effect. Somehow, you might get to a point when you thought that you needed to do just a bit more and commit additional resources, as in your thinking it was apparent that there were a few things that you needed to deal with this time around. The escalation effect occurs when an individual or a group of individuals continues to commit extra resources in the false hope of achieving a desired result, even when the situation is dire. The hope that things may turn out as desired would lead to committing more resources, thus escalating the risk being taken, or the unattractive nature of the situation. Regardless of how many times in a situation the escalation effect is triggered, once you feel the need to commit further resource in one form or another, in the hope that doing so will help you achieve what you wanted. In summary, when you are expending much needed or unplanned resources on a project or an activity in the hope that your organization or business would soon achieve a desired result, you are affected by the escalation effect. The escalation effect is not just about organizations or business. It is pervasive. It occurs whenever we expend any form of resource, be it in money, people, time, or material, beyond what we planned, in the hope of getting something done. And we keep expending more, apparently feeling that by doing so, just a bit more, we would achieve the results we wanted. Here is an example. You had paid more than what you had budgeted for an item, but it wasn't delivered on time. Then you felt the need to pay extra money so as to expedite the delivery of the item. As you can see from the example, the escalation effect is often subtle, and in many cases within an organization or a business, the escalation effect is subtle in its impact. However, when it is widespread in an organization or business, or where projects, programs, and activities that have strategic significance are involved, the escalation effect can be problematic for the organization or business. Here are a few points I hope you remember from this video. The escalation effect occurs when, to achieve an objective, you expend extra resource or take additional risk that was not planned for, in the hope that doing so will help you achieve your objective. While in many cases within an organization or a business, the escalation effect may be subtle in its impact. It can be problematic when it is widespread in the organization or business, or where projects, programs, and activities that are of strategic importance are involved. In the second of this 3-part video series, I will highlight organizational examples of the escalation effect. If you find this video helpful or insightful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, I will appreciate your comments or questions. See you soon. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe.